Hello? Is everything okay? So let's wait for several minutes for the others to join. Okay, hope everything's fine and you can see the screen very well. As I can see, the screen is a little unclear, but we should wait, maybe because of the internet speed. Okay, one more time. Hello everyone, welcome to this live session. We just need to wait for several minutes, as I told you, and for the others to join. And definitely we will save this session for the one who cannot join to this meeting at this time. So just give me several minutes and we'll start our meeting. Okay, by the way, we'll start this live session and we will definitely save it for the others for the future that who wants to see the features about XAUBOT version 26. So at the first impression, definitely you understand that there are so many changes in the new face of XAUBOT, and maybe you think that this is so complicated. But if you understand what exactly it's doing, you will definitely feel that it's so complete application, and it will remove and improve your trading skill, and you will have definitely better understanding about the forex market and about the crypto or any other assets. So whether you are new to XAUBOT or you have been using it for a long time, this live will be very helpful for you for better understanding of this bot. I just want to briefly say that what we will have in this live session. So first we will cover new features in the XAUBOT. As you can see, there are some sections and we will explain each of which and how you can improve your skill for working with XAUBOT. And after that, I will explain briefly about AI decision and how it will be useful for your trading and how it will be helpful, and definitely for troubleshooting. So still stay until the end of the live, so we will have some question parts for the question and answers, and absolutely for the future we will have this kind of live. So if you have any other question, you can write on the comments below in the description, and after that we will create another live for the question that you ask in these sections. So as you can see, this is the face of XAUBOT 26 version 26. First, I will explain you what is this exactly, and after that we will go for the common question that you asked from the support team. So after creating your bot, you will have the interface like this. So if I want to explain you what is this exactly, in the first section you will see it's a market. It shows Forex. It means you create your bot for the Forex market. If you use for the metal, you will see the metal or others, for example, other assets like crypto or indices. You will see the other assets name. And the strategy, I'm currently using the XAUBOT strategy as a default. So this can be XAUBOT strategy, and the bot logic. There are two bot logic. One it's multi-level and another one is scalp. So, and the drawdown limit symbol, this is very simple. If you read the guideline, you will understand each of which. And floating panel and news filter. This is a new section that I just want to explain more about it. This is because so many people are asking why my bot does not have any trades. So by this live scan, you can understand why you do not have trade on your bot at this time. For example, right now I can see that AUD and ZD, the anticipated lot size for the future, for me it will be 0.01. It's based on the configuration that I did for my bot. And the DIR is a direction, and there is a tooltips for each of these features. For example, DIR, if you click on it, because I am currently using the MetaTrader for showing you, I cannot show you the tooltips on the live stream. But if you hold your mouse on this, for example, a special DIR, you can see the tooltips. It's mentioned, for example, current trading direction bias, buy, sell, or neutral. For example, right now we are waiting for one opening trade, and the bot does not decide that which location should open the trade, so it will be wait. If the bot wants to open buy position in the near future, it will show you the buy. And AI decision, I will explain about it in the future, like in the near future actually. And this is a news section because the news is currently off, and maybe we are not in the so the news is off. I can turn on the news filter from the section. If you double tap in the smiley face, you can see so many settings here. If you want to, I definitely recommend you to read the guideline carefully, and you will understand what is this exactly, because it's very boring if I just want to explain you each of which. So you can turn on the news filter, and you will see after that it's in the news time or not. Right now, for example, right now we are not in the news time, so it's off currently. There is no news time. So spurt, this is a spurt. This is spurt condition confirmation, actually you can call it. If it's okay and there is a check, you can see it's a check in the light color, in the green color. So it means you passed the spurt confirmation, and the news also you passed the news confirmation currently, because we are not in the duration of the news that we told to this bot to do not trade in this particular time. For example, if you mentioned 60 minutes or 60 minutes after and 60 minutes before of news time and high effectively news time does not trade, so this bot will show you unchecked like this. So this is a strategy. This is spurt that I told you. This is strategy. You can see a strategy confirmation. For example, I'm currently using the XAUBOT strategy as a default, and the bot does not have the confirmation for this specific in particular strategy. So I can see unchecked. And this is a time. If I just want to show you the time in the configuration section, you can see there is a time limit that you give to this bot. For example, start trading from 0 to 23. If I put from 1 to 2, definitely I will see there is no confirmation and unchecked on the time section. So it will be unchecked like a green, like a red second sign. Actually, I think we are in the exact time. So because of this, you can see it like this. So margin required means what amount of money you need for trading. So as you can see, the time also, we do not have the like a checkbox, like a tick. So this is unchecked currently. And margin required, it means, do you have enough margin to open trade? Right now, for example, I do not have enough margin for opening NZD CAD because it takes more margin from me, so I do not have this. So definitely I will not see any trade in this particular symbol. And also maximum symbols. For example, I add three different symbols for trading, and I will tell to bot to open only 2 symbols at the same time. Here you can see maximum symbol at the same time. If I put 2, so if the bot open 2 symbols at the same time, so definitely this will be unchecked for the others. So it will not give the permission for opening another trades. So this is another section about this bot. Whenever you have checked for all these features, you will see one trade. So if you see one unchecked, not strategy mainly, you can see a strategy unchecked and the others will be checked. So it means that your bot is working properly and your bot is looking for a specific time for opening trade for a trigger actually. So this is currently, if you see all of them checked, it means your bot is working properly. So this is the first point of your configuration. Your bot should be checked for all features and only a strategy should be unchecked. This is very important. So this is the first section that you can see exactly where is your problem for do not have any trade. This is a very important part. If you cannot solve your problem, you can easily just go to the website of XAUBOT website and just create a ticket and ask the support what is the problem if you cannot understand. But I told you how you can distinguish what is the problem inside your bot. So this is first section that we call it live scan, and we can understand where is the problem exactly. And the second section, it's about the news and upcoming news in the future. So you can see in 20 we have upcoming news, which is Medium about USD, and also we have some CFTC news, upcoming news on the GBP. You can mention which currency you just want to have on your trading style and to avoid trading in this duration. For example, I just want to have all the currencies effective news, highly effective news on my system to do not trade. So there is a section here I will mention. Stop trading. So this is based on the minutes. 60 minutes before high news, stop trading. So after this one also, after this one also medium, and this one also after medium news. So it's very important. So you can see here all the news also is showing here in the upcoming news also, and also the news which is passed already. So this is a section of news, and you can see carefully what exactly will happen in the future. So this is another section that you can see it. This section is very important and highly accurate. If you use this section properly, I will tell you that you will definitely improve your trading experience at least 30%, because based on the experience that I already have in this market, I know that technical only is not enough. So if you want to involve fundamental analysis, so it's better to use AI decision in your trading style. So what exactly is doing? This AUD-NZD, this is an AI view from our AI system. It will come from the market anticipation, from the market news. And so it's a combination between fundamental and AI. fundamental and technical analysis. So as you can see, AUDNZD, it's a price shows a light downtrend slope. So it means a light downtrend. So the bot, by the way, the AI trend anticipate and understand that this is not heavy downtrend. So we can consider it as a range, and we can open trade in the sideway in both way, like buy and sell in opposite direction. So there will be no issue for AUDNZD at this time based on the AI trend. So if I just want to give you an example to understand completely what is exactly meaning, for example, just consider NZD CAD. Market shows a slight downtrend. So it's a downtrend based on the AI trend anticipation. So the AI understand that this specific symbol, it's going down in the near future. So here, if I turn on the AI section, I can see, and that AI understand that we should open only in the down position. So the bot will look for a trigger based on the technical analysis only for sell position. So this is a combination between technical and fundamental analysis. So this is so important. If you use AI, you will see NZD CAD only on the sell direction, not on the buy direction. But if you turn off the AI, so the NZD CAD will look for buy and sell position and the technical analysis based on the strategy that you choose. For example, I choose XAUBOT strategy. If you briefly read about XAUBOT strategy once you are creating your bot, you will see that this strategy is based on the Bollinger Band and RSI. So only technical analysis involved in this strategy for finding a trigger. So if you use AI, you will involve fundamental analysis besides the technical analysis. So it's very important to use it. I personally recommend to turn on AI news, AI decision on your bot. But if you are using a trial version, this version is not working for a trial. Only it's working for the premium version and for like premium account monthly or yearly plan. And you can see the last update here, and you can see a version, and we are updating every day, day by day for the strategies, because as you know, the market all the time it's changing. So it's better to have it's better to do not have a specific strategy for your trading. Definitely it's important because we have so many predefined strategy in the bot creation. If you go to the bot section for creating your own strategy, you will see so many strategies there. So many people are asking what the difference between this strategy and which strategy is useful, for example, for gold, or which strategy is useful for symbols like a forex symbols. We do not recommend any strategy for any specific currencies because it depends on the market situation. For example, right now we are in the situation for Middle East. So it's better to look for some strategy which is going for the trend market, not for the range market, because especially for the gold, if you want to use a gold, it's better to use some strategy which is useful for the trend market. For example, if you go to the strategy section for creating your own bot, you will see a note part which is clearly mentioned that this strategy is useful for the sideway or useful for the trend market. So look for some strategy which is useful for the trend market based on the current situation in the world. So it's important to consider this kind of information. So I just want to be honest with you because so many people are thinking that if they have one bot in their system, they can put it and leave it and they can earn money like a machine that can create and print some paper as a money for themselves. But actually, this is not real in this market. You must improve your knowledge, first of all, to understand about this market, and after that you can earn money. The bot only will help you to have some discipline on your trading style, because if you do not use a bot on your system, you all the time involve emotion in the trading. So there will be fear and there will be greedy. You will be greedy in the future if you earn some profit, you will be greedy to increase your account. So definitely you will be in the trap. So it's better to use automatic system to have some discipline for growing your account. So I think I can cover everything. If you have some question, just ask me the question in the comment, or you can ask your question here. I feel that I covered everything, but as I told you, there are some configuration in this system that you can read the guideline briefly, that you can understand what is each of which. It's very important to understand each section and understand each configuration. What is this each configuration for this creating, for bot creation? So in this live, I tried to cover everything which is changed in this section and in this version of the bot. And definitely I will answer the question that you put in the comment below in the description. And that's it. We will have a new live within like 2 weeks, and we will cover the question that you put in the comment. I hope it was useful for you, and I hope I could cover everything in this live session. Have a great day.